In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your bank account on Etsy. Verifying your bank account is an essential step if you want to sell on Etsy, as it ensures that your payments are processed smoothly and securely. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your Etsy account and navigate to the Shop Manager. This is the central hub for all your store's operations, so it's crucial to become familiar with this area. Once you're in the Shop Manager, look for the Finances section. That's usually located in the left-hand sidebar. Click on it, and you'll see the Payment Settings option. This is where you'll find all the essential tools and settings related to your payments. Now, under the Payment Settings, you'll see an option labeled Bank Account. Click on that to access your bank account information. Here, you'll have the opportunity to link a new bank account or verify an existing account. You'll need to input your bank details carefully, making sure that everything is accurate to avoid any issues with your payouts. Double-check the account number and the routing number if you're in the United States, or the equivalent numbers if you're in another country. Accuracy is key here, as even a small mistake could result in delays or problems with receiving your funds. Once you've entered your bank details, Etsy may deposit a small amount, usually just a few cents, into your bank account. This is called a test deposit, and it serves as a security measure to ensure that the account you've listed is active and accessible. Depending on your bank, this test deposit may take a couple of days to show up in your account, so be sure to monitor your bank statement closely. Once you see the deposit listed in your bank account, make a note of the exact amount. You'll need this information for the next step. Return to your Etsy Payment Settings page, and you'll see a prompt asking for the test deposit amount. Carefully enter the amount you noted from your bank statement and submit it. If the amount matches the test deposit, Etsy will confirm that your bank account has been verified. This process is designed to protect both you and your buyers, ensuring that transactions are secure and reliable. In case you run into any issues during this process, such as not receiving the test deposit or entering the wrong information, Etsy provides support resources. Don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support team for assistance. They can help resolve issues promptly, ensuring that your shop operates smoothly. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can verify your bank account on Etsy and start selling with peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful Etsy tips.